Yeah. Welcome back. Today, I'm gonna make some brown stew fish. But I have the sliced fish. It's actually the kingfish. Come in steaks like. Nice, fresh. Yep. Brown stew fish with food. Dumpling, banana, and yam, and pumpkin. Alright? Basically, I got salt, black pepper, and a little Goya. Salt, black pepper, and a little Goya. I'm gonna season my fish, and then I'm gonna cut up my seasoning. Same seasoning, regular onion, pepper, tomato. I have sweet pepper and garlic. So I'm gonna season my fish. Basically, I'm gonna take the black pepper and salt and just go over it and lay it in that dish and cut up my seasoning and stuff. So stay tuned. All right. Yeah. Check it out. Fish them seasoning, marinating. Got all my season cut up over here, everything to go in there. Alright, this is to go with the fish. Stay tuned, you'll see how it work out. Over here I had a piece of pork, so I'm doing a little brown stew pork. Understand? Cut it up, clean it up, and I season it. Basically onion, scallion, thyme, pepper, tomato. Put some Goya, pinch of salt, little black pepper, and some browning for coloring. So I'm seasoning at the moment. Yep, let this marinate. So it's gonna be brown stew fish and some stew pork. Hey, it's New Year's Eve, man, so you know, I'm home and feel like doing some cooking. By the way, I'm in Jamaica cooking at home. Alright, you don't have a sorrel beer in the fridge marinating. So stay tuned. So that's the stew pork right there. And over here we're gonna have some brown stew fish. Right now I'm gonna get ready because this fish, I'm gonna get my pot of oil. We have to fry the fish first for coloring. And you know, that's how you do the brown stew fish. You fry it and then you cook it down. Alright, stay tuned. Alright. I got my oil ready. Got some olive oil. I mean, your choice of oil, whatever you have. So I'm gonna fry my fish now. Yep. Waiting for it to get hot. Then in my fish. Fish. Let them fry, catch a color. You don't want to fry them too dry, you know? Yeah. Check it out. So that's the color I want, you know, brown plate coloring. These are ready to come out now. You don't want to fry them out too dry because you still want the fish to be juicy. You don't want it to be too dry. So I'm going to take these out now. Yeah. My fish steaks are finished. And over here I have my stew pork. Yeah. Now I need a bigger pot because first I'm going to do the seasoning, then I'm going to add the fish. There goes my sliced fish, kingfish, all my seasoning. I got a bigger size pot to stew it down now. It's called brown stew fish. Oh, with a touch, the little brown stew pork. Alright. Again. Let that cook for a little bit. Saute for a little bit. Then I'm gonna add my fish. Look at that. Yeah. About 5 minutes. Season sauteing, you could tell. Look, you see the juices from the tomato? See all that? Yep. Look at the color. Saute. There you go. So what can I do? I kind of ease the seasoning to the side so I can lay out my fish. Lay them out and move them over a little. See that? Yeah, all the fish is in now. When all the fish is in, I take the seasoning and I, spray it all over. Look at that. So a little pinch of water and some butter, and I'm gonna cover him and let him simmer down. Yeah. See what it look like now? Add a little pinch of black pepper, not too much. And normally I just like shake it up like that. I don't want my fish to break up, so I just lift up the pot and I shake it. Look at that. Yeah. Fish finished. Full of juice and gravy. One more shake. Yeah. Checking out the pork. Yeah. Grilled pork simmering down. I'm gonna add some carrot, Irish to it. Yep, to bring it up. Alright, and let this cook for a little bit. Yeah. Pork done, simmer down. Add some Irish and some carrot to it. Yep. And over here, cooking some dumpling, some white yam and pumpkin. Yeah.